Hi guys, how are you? Hello to you too, Slugger. Hey fanboy mafia, hi Parth. Oh god, why does my voice sound like this today? Hey Sentinel, welcome. Why is my voice like this? Hey Ken, welcome. When are you going to run away with me? When did I say I'm going to run away? How was your day? It was good, it was okay. How about you, Ken? How was your day, guys? My day was pretty... Dude, I literally just woke up like in half an hour ago. All good. My days just started, guys. If if you're having evening and night by now, I hope your day was good. I hope if you want to share anything, I'm all ears for all of you all. I look swollen? What? Yeah, and maybe because this side of my tooth is basically hurting, I can't really chew from it, so I've not eaten anything. I don't think so I can chew on regular food, so this only I'm eating this papaya only from this side, so yeah. Good afternoon, fanboy. Good afternoon. I hope your day is going good, amazing. Feeling jealous by fruit. No way, I can't really eat you. I'm saying, guys, what time do you all usually wake up? Muppets, hi! How was your night? Did you work extra or over hours? Guys, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me. Okay, 8 a.m. I just woke up. Okay. 8 a.m. is just too diabolical. I can never. But basically, I also sleep late, so I think that that's just not really my schedule. I can't really wake up it now early, I can. I wake late today. Okay. It's 1:47 a.m. here. Oh god, and you're not sleeping. That's so cute. Like 10:30. Okay. I like your pic. Thank you. Yeah, I got off at 8 a.m. Been home about an hour. Okay. So will you sleep after reaching your home, your house? Have you realized, guys? Even though our home can also be known as house or home, but why do we usually call it a home? हाय प्यारी समझ गई नहीं ये क्या चल रहा है यार usually 8 and 9 hey hi Sundar, how are you? What is the time at your place? Yeah, going to drink my beer and sleep. Oh god, you drink too much. हिंदी में ही बात करो यार. अरे but बाकी लोग भी है ना. कैसे हैं? I am okay. I woke up like half an hour ago and then I realized that I woke up late and then I got ready and everything. Hey Socrates, welcome. Home इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि family साथ होती है. Yes. Home basically gives you this a feeling that yes, there are people who look after you. Hey Neha is back. Hi Neha. It's 6:48 p.m. Dude, that's too late. It's literally 2:18 p.m. Like in the afternoon. Hey beautiful. Hi Jari. D. It's okay. It's prescription. No, it's not. Hi. Did you have a good day today? My day just started. How about you, Grandma? मुंबई में बारिश हो रही है, यहाँ पे तो नहीं। हाँ सुबह सुबह हुई थी। Give me a moment, guys. I'm so sorry, shit. Rasta, do you stream every day? Yes, I do. Or at least you're well rested. Yes, same Muppet. I got my haircut today and I'm so happy. Really? I wish I could see you, know. Today you're still wearing black. Yesterday I literally wore white. Looks like it's my turn to be up insanely during a day. Do you have a toothache? I like it when you call me. I'm not going to call it again. I'm just gonna call you G4. Dude, it's guys, either you tell me your real name or I'm not pronouncing your Lewid's name, okay? Lewid name. Shut up, everyone. And you, D. I swear to God, naming yourself like so creepily and expecting me to read your name aloud. Oh God, this is very creepy. How cringe. I know, right? How cringe, yaar. How cringe. Oh God, even after sleeping, my head still hurts and I feel like sleeping, guys. You think I can pass my energy to all of you all? You know, energy passing is really real. It's really real and legit. Can you do a fit check? Come on, guys. Why every day fit check, fit check? Shut up. Should have clipped it. Shut up. Hey, hi, Subus. How are you? Black looks sexy on you. Thank you. Have a coffee. Okay, try me. What do you mean, try me? Ras, what is your weather? It's kind of windy and, stormy over here. I think so. It might rain, like, a lot today. Because it's really cloudy. There's this my friend. She was always negative, okay? Everyone wants to see your mermaid skills. That's a secret. I can't tell you I'm a mermaid. Oops. I'm good, Subus. How are you? You know what, guys? Flow that energy, yes. Hey, Kendrick. Hi, welcome. How are you? So basically, that's how it works. There's this my friend, and she always used to bitch about people. Like, I remember I was in third year of psychology. Like, this happened like only 4 or 5 months ago, okay? We would sit together, and then whenever teacher would start to, explain the lectures and everything, she would always bitch about her love life and everything. And then, we used to stay together like for 6 months, okay? Like, our relationship was that strong. It was really strong. But then I used to think, whenever I am with her, my energy has always been irritated. It's always been bitchy. And then I, broke apart with her. Like, always toxic people I can never handle, man. I'm good. Here is also cloudy. That's nice to know. Your Instagram link is not working. It's not fixed. Can you please share your Instagram with Bhavya? That would be lovely. Hey, Bessitaman. Welcome, welcome. Bassi. She is anything but a keeper. In Ahmedabad, it has been raining for 2 days. That must be lovely. Her attitude rubbed off on you. I swear to God. She would always be like, oh, look at that. And whenever a guy would try to approach me, she would always diss him like, oh my God, you broke and all. And I was like, okay, that's fine. Take a chill pill. Very tiring, you deal with such people. You mentally feel so drained. Try sleeping on time, okay? Live streaming is like an addiction, and trust me, you'll always find people there, no matter when you show up. Like, it's 24/7 tea stall. Thank you so much, G, for your very informative information. Hey, Pookie, hi. Damn, that's harsh. I mean, she would literally say that in front of their faces, and their face would literally become this small. Like, good morning, Indian girl. Ask me about my sister and I'll tell you. Hi, Ragini. Hi, Cobalt. You had lunch? No, I did not really had lunch because my tooth was aching. So I'm just having papaya right now. I call people that energy vampires because they suck the life out of you. Trust me, when I would be with her, I would always yawn, tired, and like, hi Ragini, hi Sridhar. Was she super hot? No, she was not. I'm sorry. I mean, like, I don't know how to describe her. She was chubby. She was a bit shorter than me. Oh, tooth was aching. Yeah, this side is aching. Do you know what helps tooth pain? What? Cobalt. Okay, I'll call you Sam, okay? Gargle with warm salt, it will help. Okay. Something called wheatgrass. What is that? Oh god. The fuck? What you eating? Papaya. What did you have for breakfast? Just tea. Ice cream helps the pain. Something called wheatgrass. What is that? What is that? It's like a green powder. Do we get in India? Do we get it in India? Just tea, really? Yeah. I did not really wake up at breakfast time, you know. She always looks pretty. What? It will make your toothache go away. Thank you. Why didn't you eat? Because my tooth was aching. No, I can't really just eat with an aching tooth and aching jaw. When basically your teeth hurts, this all things hurts, you know. I'm having biryani for dinner. Jalta hai. Obviously, मैं जलूंगी यार. How can you eat it without me? Liar, liar, cheater, cheater. You will be a leopard. जलता है the fuck. I'll prove it. No, my god, that you became a leopard. How many followers I have now, guys? Depending on the source of the pain, acetaminophen or ibuprofen may help, but you shouldn't probably see a dentist to make sure. Yeah, I'm actually going tomorrow for the surgery. Hi, Pox streamer. If you don't eat something, you will get sick. Oh god, and what will happen if I get sick? I send you a plate. No, why are you so pretty? Hi, clever. Where are you from? You're very clever with the compliments. I like it. It's sprouted levels of the wheat plant. I see, I see. Okay, Vinny, I'll ask my dentist about it, and if he approves, I'll, take this prescription. Thank you. Please don't talk about it. Please, my mood will suddenly go depressed. Are you a college student? No, actually not really, but I really want to pursue my masters. You have to clip this one on. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one we talking about, chat? I swear to God, Anderson, and they just keep the topic evergreen. Sorry, I didn't pain though. Toothache, skin, and sunburn are my least favorite types of pain. Who even likes pain? You have braces, top, or you're just no? Both the teeth have braces. Hey Tom, how are you? I think your eyeliner was spreading. I don't really think so. Is it, guys? I think so. It's intact. I'm from California. How about you? I'm from India. They have a thing for girls with braces. Oh god, thank god I'm getting them off like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You missed my question. I'm so sorry. What did you ask me? I think so I answered. Yeah, so why did you put... okay. You are good at talking. Thank you, grandma. I can see you eating your greens. How's your day going? It's just how every day goes. Yeah, it's official that I'm doing it. Yeah, I am doing it. Don't worry. I'm happy for you. I'm so scared though. Because of tomorrow, I thought you just got them. Yeah, I got them, but I realized that with braces, your volume of face will also be just flat. I had to go to the infirmary because of the paper cut. It's small that you can tolerate, you could say. I had no power until 9 a.m. What? You said you got your 40th but don't know why. I know very well why. I get scared too. Don't worry. No, you don't remove your braces daily. That's not how it works, chat. It's not. It's like they stay intact for like a year or two. It depends on the situation of your teeth and how much they've pulled back, you know. But I'll say my impulsive decision to get my tooth extracted was really impulsive, and I shouldn't have done that. After after analyzing a lot of things, I realized that if your gaps from the extracted teeth, if that gets filled, you'll have a flat face. कहाँ रहती हो? Hi Mehul, I'm from Mumbai. आप कहाँ रहते हो? They do change the shape of your face a bit. I've never seen anyone where it made them look less attractive. No, you don't know about extracted one though. Painting behind you is artistic. Does painting have a significance? Oh yes, it does. These are very royal figures, you know. Was there something wrong with your teeth though? Not really. You can see them how pretty they look even with the braces. I don't know. I just wanted to get them. I don't know. Fuck, what is wrong with me? I mean the ones you got pulled. They were just this one, you see? Premolar. Thank you, Mehul. Where are you from? Hey Ezra, how are you? You should get a diamond grill and start rapping. I know, right? Eee. Haryana, nice. Can I buy you clothes and jewelry? Yes, please go ahead. Oh God, Sundar, he comes. Oh, what? Here comes the dentist surgeons. Hello. I'm from Taiwan. Nice. Oh, you had your wisdom teeth removed. That's pretty common. This is not really wisdom tooth. This is premolar. I'm good. Thanks. How are you? I'm good. Where are you from? You still have a good smile. I indeed is. And if it will not remain still if I don't get implants. Okay, well, where do I buy you these things exactly? You basically donate me money and I'll buy them myself. You won't come in India to, take me to shopping, right? But I would love, me if I had grills, Oh, you're from Israel. Nice to meet you. Snap. You mean Snapchat? Can you make that grill pose again? That was cool. Grills would make you look rough. Unlike my heart. Grills are hardcore, dude. But, if I really wanted to have grills, I will just use this teeth. You see this canine.